Uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini unyitaniri na ngwataniro ya ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi wonanitie kaunti 22 nicio iri ugwati-ini wa kugia na mututhuko wa murimu wa githuku gatagati wa ciana nini, thirikari ikihiuka kuruguria uheani wa njanjo ya kugitira ciana cia thi wa miaka 5 thiini wa kaunti ici.
And so Moira, even here in your county, it would be good to know what your target is as the teams go around to reach the children, so that we can make sure at least we are holding ourselves accountable as we run the campaign. This will include markets, schools, churches and mosques. We are going to provide this vaccine free of charge.
Ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe muhituku kaunti cia Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, West Pokot na Tana River ni gukoretwo na mututhuko wa murimu wa githuku gatagati ga ciana cia thi wa miaka 5, aciari makiorotwo ni kwaga guthecithia ciana ciao njanjo ya kumarigiriria undu umwe na miagagire ya miikarire kumana na COVID-19 igicangira ona makiria.
Only 1 in 5 children are vaccinated with at least 1 dose of measles rubella vaccine. The unprecedented increase in the number of unvaccinated children and accumulation of susceptible children to more than 2.1 million in the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has aided the outbreaks.
Kuringana na muteithiriria wa minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi uria uruguritio uheani wa njanjo eno kaunti ya Kajiado, ruhonge rwa utabariri wa uheani wa njanjo ruria rugutambia kambini ya gutheca ciana njanjo eno kuma tariki 25 mweri wa gatandatu nginyagia tariki 5 mweri ukite, kambini-ini iria iratanywo gukinyira ciana itanyihiire milioni 3.5 cia gatagati ka mieri 9 nginyagia miaka 5.
Na furaha yetu ni kwa sababu hii chanjo ya measles na rubella ni chanjo ambayo ni muhimu sana, ambayo itaweza kulinda watoto wetu kuhakikisha kuwa hawatapata magonjwa mbalimbali.
Githuku kirikanaga gutoria ciana cia ngenge kumana na mathina maria gicungagirira riria kianyita mwana ta mathina ma ngoro, guthukia uhoti wa mwana wa kuona na kuigua, undu umwe na guthukia tombo wa mwana.
And now when we count the number of children who are at risk, 2.1 million children. And that's why it's absolutely important that this campaign is supported by the media in terms of raising awareness.
Mubango-ini uyu wa uheani wa njanjo, arigitani 16,000 nio marekereirio kuruta wira wa gutheca ciana kuria kigina gia ciringi milioni 800 gitanyitwo kuhuthika. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi Wanyamu.